As you see, it's a very short walk to the Melba Gully, where you have the picnic area and facilities. Now, this area was established back in 1921 when it was opened up as tea rooms. These tea rooms were a rest stop and became quite popular with the buses, as they could stop here and everyone could pop out and have tea and scones, plus use the facilities. The owners named the place after one of Australia's most famous singers, Dame Nellie Melba. Sadly, later on, when the authorities placed the bus length limits on the Great Ocean Road back in 1948, the tea room shut down due to lack of business. Now, today is a nice area for a picnic, plus a launch pad to do a 35 to 45 minute rainforest walk along the Madsen track to Annie's Cascades. Now, if you come here and it's raining, don't be disappointed, because this area is one of the wettest areas in the state of Victoria, with an annual rainfall of over 2,000 millimeters. So be prepared. Melba Gully, we are there. I figured I'd stand up on the table here and show you what it looks like. People came here and stopped at a tea room. This was named after Nellie Melba, a famous Australian. Used to be very popular in the 40s. So it's a picnic ground here. You can amble down here when it's too hot. Should be nice. And there's a walk. It's a 1.5 kilometer walk, but there seem to be trails here all over the place. I guess this one would go down into the gully, which I'm not gonna go to, but beautiful trees here, very big. There's the Madsen track. It's 1.5 kilometers, 35 minutes return. Yes, as I said, I'm not going to do this walk, but we can go a bit of a distance and see, get a feeling for the track. Here are some walkers already. I have no idea who are.
Really, no. I've never seen you before.
All right, we're descending into the darkness. Yeah, it's 1.5 kilometers return, so I guess it's about 700-800 meters one way. It's dark and cool in here, so yeah, we're heading down into the gully. But you get the idea. Nice rainforest walk.